The Vivo S1 is physically similar to its siblings, but changes things up in terms of its internal hardware and headlining features in order to appeal to a slightly more premium audience. The dual-SIM, Nano, Vivo S1, features a triple rear camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel sensor, and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor. The Vivo S1 runs FunTouch OS 9, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. It sports a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and is powered by an Octa-core MediaTek Helio P65 SoC. The smartphone offers the standard connectivity options on the phone, include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and micro USB. The back of the Vivo S1 is completely flat, but the seams between the rim and rear panel are a bit rough. In terms of button layout, ports, you notice that there's no fingerprint sensor on the rear because this phone features an in-display sensor. Other selling points include the 3 rear cameras,